Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to go and show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller when it's not charging by replacing the USB port. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So if your PlayStation 4 controller simply is not charging, and one of the last things you can do is replace the USB port. And this is actually really easy to do. The first thing you need to do is take out all these screws on the back, and there's only 4 of them. So I'm going to take these out and then put it to the side. And it can be a little bit difficult getting the actual cover off. A lot of times I knock off the R2 buttons and the L2 button. So once I have all 4 of these screws out, I'm going to put these to the side so I don't lose them here. And I am using a Stanley screwdriver, and it just says number 6 on it, but it's just really small, and you can use various amounts of just small screwdrivers. I just have this set. So now that I have all the screws out, I like to lift up from here on the bottom of the controller and just kind of create a little separation right there. Then when you're feeding it through the R1 and L1 buttons, just go ahead and just be careful so you don't knock those out. So it should come out just like that. And your controller is still going to be connected to the back lid with this little cable right here. So you can reach in here and just attach that with your hands, and it should just pop out. So boom, now that is off. So we can take where the battery is and just put that to the side. All we need is this right here. So there could be another problem, like maybe this ribbon wasn't seated very well into the actual motherboard or circuit board right here. And as you can see, this powers the entire USB area, and that is how you charge your controller. So if there is a connection issue to the circuit board, there could be something going on with that as well, that connection. So to replace this entire port, it's very easy to do. Now we are going to want to replace this right here and take this out. So this just lifts right up just like that. And then we can take off this little plastic piece right here. We should be able to take this out as well. And this will come out. And it's kind of like tape or something that's sticky, but that should come off. And then we just have 2 little screws right here. So let's unscrew these. And this piece right here comes off too for the light bar if we really want to take that off. So let's remove these 2 screws. And this entire little port area will come off. So do I have those unscrewed? Yep. And boom, just like that. And you can buy another one from like Amazon or eBay for like $2 or $3. These won't be hard to find on there. But simply just get the new one, put it back in here, and let's just go ahead and put this back in, just like this. And we can see if just simply replacing this actually does indeed fix the controller. And this should only take you about 10 minutes just to replace. It doesn't take long. Alright, now you can put the little light bar area back on. Then I'm going to put this little plastic piece back on over here. Take this white piece and clamp it down, and it goes under it and then down just like that. Perfect. Then you are going to want to reattach the back piece to the circuit board right here. This can get like confusing. Just make sure there's a good connection. If there is an issue with the connection, it may not work, even though you got a new USB port. So that is on. Now feed the L1 and R1 button with the back panel, just like that. Make sure you get it over. Then you're going to take the bottom area and lift it over those cylinders that are popping up for the screw holes. Boom, just gently guide it back down, and then put all your 4 screws back in, and you just replace the USB port if it was damaged. And it only took me 5 minutes to go ahead and do this. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.